Hi, it's me, Timmy. Are you ready for a tighter tangle? Remember what that is? When your feelings get all mixed up in your belly and you don't know how to fix it. Ready to help me and my friends get through a tangle? Click, let's go. Guess what? Tonight it's our open house at school. Our teacher's letting us bring our families to school to show them what we're working on. We're making an art gallery, and it's really, really neat. See what I'm working on? My teacher wants us to name them. I'm calling mine Monster Ceratops. Get groovy. There's my friend Eric. I wonder what he's making. Hey Eric, what project are you making? Want to see mine?
I guess. Cool. That looks really good. I can't create anything. I'm not good at this.
Oh no! Eric said he's not good at art and put his head down on the desk. I wonder if he's upset. How can we help him?
Invite Eric to create something together. Encourage Eric to create something. Say, those drawings are the best I've ever seen.
Eric, your drawings are the best I ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, it's the best in the whole school.
Wow. Thanks, Timmy. I feel a lot better. I guess I can do art.
Good evening, families. We're excited to welcome you to our open house and, more importantly, our art gallery. Children, feel free to walk your families around and show your art to them.
Timmy, you told me my art was the best. That kid is making fun of me. Why'd you tell me that?
I'm sorry, Eric. I wanted you to feel better. Oh, no! I think I hurt Eric's feelings. I just wanted him to feel better. I lied to him. Now it's all my fault that he's upset. Is this the best way to help him?
Invite Eric to create something together.
Want to create something together? We could make something really cool.
Maybe. You're really good, and I don't think I could make something as good as yours.
You can do it, Eric. I like helping and sharing. I'm sure it will be awesome.
But Mr. Klein said everybody's got to have their own art on the wall. We can't work together. It's fine. I'll just hang something up that I make. Thanks anyway, Timmy.
Oh, no. I think he's still upset. I just wanted to help him make something. I guess he doesn't want to do that. What else could we do to help Eric?
Encourage Eric to create something.
Eric, I bet you can make something really cool.
Maybe.
Come on, you can do it. Even if you don't think it's good, it could be awesome.
Okay, I'll try.
Good evening, families. We're excited to welcome you to our open house and, more importantly, our art gallery. Children, feel free to walk your families around and show your art to them.
Eric, your picture is so cool. What do you think?
I really like it, and my mom said she's really proud of me. Thanks, Timmy. You're a great friend.
We did it! Eric feels really good. We inspired him to make great things. Thanks for all your help, friend. I for inspired greatness.